In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. If you share a PC, have a personal account and a secondary account, or simply need to switch between profiles, Steam makes the process fairly straightforward. The important thing to understand is that on one computer, you're not really running both accounts at the exact same time in the standard Steam app. Instead, you're switching from one account to another quickly and cleanly. To begin, open Steam and look to the top left corner of the window. Click on Steam, then choose Change Account. This tells Steam that you want to sign out of the current profile and move to a different one. Once you click it, Steam will usually ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm so the app can return to the sign-in screen. From there, log in with the other Steam account you want to use. Enter that account's sign-in details and complete any security verification if Steam asks for it. Depending on your settings, this could include a code or a confirmation step. After that, Steam will load the library, profile, and settings connected to that second account. If you plan to switch back and forth often, there's a useful convenience feature to know about. On the sign-in screen, when you log in, make sure the option to remember your password is enabled if you want Steam to save that account on the computer. When this option is used, Steam can remember multiple accounts on the same device. That means the next time you open the login screen, you can select the account you want to use without typing the username again every single time. This is especially helpful if more than one person uses the same computer, or if you regularly move between accounts for different game libraries. Just keep in mind that saving account access on a shared computer should only be done if you trust the people who use that device. If the computer is public or not fully private, it's better to be more cautious with saved sign-in information. And that's all there is to it. Open Steam, choose Change Account, confirm the sign out, log into the other account, and optionally save both accounts so switching is faster in the future. Once you've done it once, moving between Steam accounts on the same computer becomes quick and easy.